Memorial prayers and iftar mahfil organized by family of Peace TV has been completed. Ramadan 24 March 25 2025 Tuesday is the only English online television Peace TV family in Bangladesh. Memorial prayers and iftar mahfil we are held. Shahidul Islam Munna Vice Chairman Jala Parishad was the chief guest at the function, presided over by Kibriya Khan at the Hotel Shoibal Shagorika restaurant. Peace TV Chairman Rafiqul Islam Sohail addressed the function. Sharwa Azam Manik, representative Channel I, Hassan Shuman Kosbajar, representative as at television, Shahjahan Chaudhary Shahin Kosbajar, representative Boishaki television, Harun Ar-Rashid, representative Dipti television, journalist unity president Shahadat Hussain. We are also present.
এই সমিতি করার পর থেকে ওটা হ্যান্ডেল করে আমার বাবা থানা এবং পুলিশ নেতা থেকে কোনো টাকা না দেওয়ার ব্যবস্থা করে।